Okay guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video to even watch it. I will not make this a long intro. If you're not a part of the family, click that subscribe button, hit that like button. You've done your job, sis. We here, we good. I have no smoke with you. There's no smoke in the city. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named? You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
Hey guys, so if you're watching this part, you've already seen me do this eye, and this is the part where I am going to be talking, I guess kind of like a talk through, because it's kind of like a review slash talk through. I was sent some products via Octoly by the brand Becca to review their Ultra Coverage Complexion Cream foundation, and this is their #1 selling foundation. This is not a paid review. I was sent this completely free, and all my opinions about this product are my own. So yeah, without further ado, but before I get into that, I do need to put a primer on my face. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion, if I can get a focus on that, Refining Skin Primer. So I really like this primer. I really like this primer because it like just literally makes it look like I have on like a filter, honey. Like everything's so smooth, and I'm a fan of drugstore primers. If I'm not using this, then I use Wet n Wild. But this one is definitely growing on me. And I'm just going to make sure I definitely put it in my T-zone. Alright. So we got that on. Now I am... Oh, my color in this foundation is Sandalwood. I've used some Becca foundation before, so I already knew my color, and I believe this one is the closest to my skin tone. So I am just going to use a few pumps of that, if it'll ever come out. Bruh. Okay, there it goes. All right. So I have about 2 pumps on the back of my hand. Oh, it's a very thick formula. So I know this is gonna be extra full coverage, which y'all already know I am here for. I love me a good full coverage foundation. Like, sis, I love it. Flat kabuki brush to just kind of blend this out a little bit better, because this foundation is has a very thick consistency. I'm just taking my translucent powder, and you guys can already tell the difference. Once I put the translucent powder over it, it definitely mattes it down, and I like the way it looks with the powder over it. But this is, I think I probably used too much foundation. I like full coverage, and I think maybe I used a little bit too much foundation, but we still gonna be able to make it work. Okay, we got to get that forehead under control, because the shine was just ridiculous. All right, so it's a really nice coverage to it. Cannot be mad. camera like overheated, so I didn't get to film me dusting my powder off and applying the bronzer. But I am going to show you guys what it looks like and how it swatches. This is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer, and the shade that I received is Maui Nights, and it's really pretty. It's a really pretty color, and I'll swatch it on my hand just so you guys can kind of see how it comes off. It's like a dusky red, and you probably can see it a little bit right here. So bronzer for me is more so like blush, so that is it applied there, and I feel like it complements my skin tone very well. It has some really nice gold shimmer in it, which I really like. This might be my new blush. And it's so cute. I love the way it looks on my skin. It complements me very well. I still need to apply my highlighter, so I guess I can do that really quickly. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this stuff. I love it. I love it. Anyway. So I'm going to use a highlighter that I picked up a few weeks ago. It is the Born to Glow highlighter by NYX, and it is Brick the Rhythm. So I am just going to take my brush.